Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a new headlight bulb, a pair of clean gloves, and a Phillips head screwdriver. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the precise bulb type required for your specific model, ensuring a perfect fit and proper function. Now, open your vehicle's hood and carefully locate the back of the headlight assembly. Depending on your specific Honda Accord model, you might need to remove a few plastic covers or even some air intake components to gain clear access. Once you have a clear view, firmly press the release tab on the electrical connector and gently pull it away from the bulb housing. This step ensures no power reaches the bulb during replacement. With the electrical connector detached, you can now remove the old bulb. Gently twist the bulb's base approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise until it loosens from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, always wear clean gloves and avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, then twist it clockwise to secure it firmly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before fully reassembling everything, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning correctly and illuminates properly. Once you've verified its operation, carefully reassemble any plastic covers or air intake components you removed earlier. Close the hood, and your headlight replacement is complete, providing clear visibility once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.